Qantas has announced the expansion of its A321XLR aircraft lineup, introducing new destinations and operational possibilities. With the addition of lie-flat business seats and entertainment options, Qantas aims to provide a more versatile air travel experience. This update comes months after Etihad Airways launched its first A321LR without the XLR into commercial service, offering 2 first-class suites and 14 fully flat business beds. The first frame of this configuration is expected to be delivered in 2028. It marks a month after the introduction of the A321LR, which was designed for shorter distances, but now includes full payload capabilities. Qantas's 16 XLRs with this layout will result in a longer-haul narrow-body product, which aligns well with international travel missions. However, the actual range of these planes depends on real-world conditions, including factors like wind resistance and fuel efficiency. Iberia, the launch customer, claims that its current A321XLR models have a practical maximum range of approximately 3,920 nautical miles, 7,260 kilometers, which is significantly lower than the theoretical 4,700 nautical miles described earlier. While this discrepancy is debatable, we'll assume a range of 4,000 nautical miles for Qantas's flights. Key markets such as Perth and Adelaide, which serve as the country's 5th largest international hub, have been highlighted for their strategic importance. These destinations are particularly attractive for travelers seeking flexible options, as they allow for both lay-flat and seat-back configurations. Additionally, Qantas's 16 XLRs will enable the delivery of a broader array of routes, potentially increasing connectivity across multiple hubs. However, the availability of these flights must be supported by sufficient local passenger traffic to ensure consistent performance of the lie-flat beds. As an example, Qantas reported over 250,000 round-trip local passengers traveling between Perth and South Asia, primarily via Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, and Bangkok. More than half of these travelers opt for direct flights from these hubs, highlighting the growing demand for seamless connections. Meanwhile, Delhi, the largest unserved international market within the 4,000 nautical mile range, remains too far to accommodate the full payload of the XLR. Instead, Bengaluru, the nearest alternative, is expected to be served. This suggests that the XLR may not be the optimal choice for certain segments of the market. Furthermore, Qantas's code-share agreement with Indigo ensures that Bengaluru is already covered by local carriers, which provides an additional layer of support. However, this does not mean that Qantas will prioritize this route unless it offers a significant improvement in terms of frequency or convenience. As flights approach, it's worth noting that Sydney-Bengaluru could become a larger local market than Perth, given the growth of non-stop flights. In summary, while the A321XLR represents a significant advancement, the success of these flights depends on careful planning and the ability to balance flexibility with operational feasibility.